Stu, this is obviously a tough team to defend against, the Griffins. What are you seeing from them?
They got a five-man offense and five-man defense all over the ice. They support each other well, and they got a lot of speed and skill, and they can make a lot of plays. So, it takes six guys on the ice to shut them down at all times. And we did it for a couple minutes here and there, but we got to do it for 60 minutes.
This team has owned its third period against the Marlies in their own building. Is it something they're feeding off fan-wise, do you think, or is this did they turn it up in the third?
Maybe. I think they just got a couple different looks, and they buried on them. And we had a couple chances as well, and just didn't go our way. And we'll look forward to Saturday and getting back at it.
Is this a situation where you look at the tape of this and then try to learn from it over the next 2 days, and or is it let's leave this one behind because we have a better game?
Yeah, I'm sure we'll look at it for a bit and look at different scenarios. But all in all, I think we're still playing well, and we just need to bounce back. We've done it all year, so we just need to continue what we've been doing.
You see a guy like Teemu Pulkkinen, obviously a quality player. How difficult is it to not concentrate on one guy out there?
Yeah, he's got a lot of speed and skill, and obviously a great shot, leading the league in goals. And you got to focus on him, but they got a lot of other players over there as well. So he's a guy that you try and block shots on him and take away his space, but they also got a lot of weapons.